My name is Steve Ubeli. I'm CEO of Frontier Scientific Solutions. Started my business in 2020, and we started it to safeguard drug delivery globally, to enhance the network of drug delivery through sophisticated and different technology portfolios through the supply chain. Biggest challenge is handling the complexity of global trade, global transportation. The industry is very conservative, so getting them to change to a different alternative or a more advanced alternative, being honest with you, is still a struggle. Changing a conservative industry has been tough. Aha moment definitely was listening to our clients and realizing how fragmented the industry is. The big aha was when we did the research and found out there was $38 billion of lost drug product in 2024. Frontier Scientific Solutions is a disruptor in the supply chain pharmaceutical industry.
Everyone, I'm Randall Johnson with the North Carolina Biotech Center here in the Southeastern office in Wilmington, and I'm pleased and honored to present one of this year's Biotech Awards to Frontier Scientific Solutions. I've had the pleasure of working with Steve Ubeli and Michael Braddock and the entire Frontier team since 2020, when they first shared some really audacious ideas to disrupt the biotech and pharma cold supply chain with pharma-focused cold storage operation right here in Wilmington to meet the needs of our entire state's life sciences companies. Now, fast forward just a few years, and the Frontier team has turned that grand vision into a reality as the company has really taken off like a supersonic jet. Frontier is now operating its first facility, 65,000 square feet, near ILM, with another 750,000 square feet in the works, either under construction or in the design phase, with plans for over 1 million square feet of cold storage capacity here at the airport. The company already employs over 40 people with plans to hire well over 100 more. And Frontier has secured $1.5 billion from investors for their work here in Wilmington and for a partnership with the Shannon, Ireland airport to create a direct pathway from Wilmington to European markets for pharma products. Steve and his leadership team really exemplify the critical connection between identifying an unmet market need and possessing the entrepreneurial acumen to address that need. And they're addressing it in transformational ways that benefit our local and state economy with new jobs and investments, while also connecting our local and state markets to a global marketplace. So I'm thrilled to congratulate Steve Ubeli and the entire Frontier team on winning the 2025 Coastal Entrepreneur Award for Biotech.
I have some notes. So first, I just want to thank, incredibly humbled and just honored to receive this award. It's been a long journey for 5 years. Apologize in advance. I'm going to take that full minute and thank everybody that really deserves this in all of this. So first of all, congratulations to all the winners tonight. We can relate to what you've been through. It's quite a journey for everybody, so congratulations to those. I want to thank God for strength and clarity and to keep us going. To my family, especially my wife, Erin, who has really just championed everything behind the scenes to help us do what we need to do. Special thanks to my son, Nicholas, who works with us. He started with us right out of school and believed, so thank you. My partners, Michael Braddock, who veered off of his personal endeavors 5-6 years ago and believed and stayed with us as well. My incredible partners and teams, the belief in the mission that we have, loyalty, the grit and drive carried us through some really hard terrain for 5 years. Anytime anyone wants to talk about that, we'll talk about that offline. But that was a long journey. My mentors, colleagues, investors, ILM team, NC Ports, some of the ILM teams here tonight, thank you for that. City of Wilmington, our builders, who have done an incredible job. If you haven't seen it, we're building about 500,000 square feet right off the north runway. They've done an amazing job. And just in closing, really our team has worked hard to enhance the quality of life for some really save lives for others. That's the passion that drove me and my team. So much drug product is lost through just supply chain, just transporting between country to country, and most of those people are relying on those drugs to save their lives. And so our ability to do it faster, better, in a more secure environment, and able to get that delivery to those that need it, that's what drives our mission and our purpose. So we're thankful to have that opportunity to do that. We're thankful for Wilmington to supply the infrastructure for us to do it. And I'm humbled and thank you for everybody that's here, and appreciate all that you've done for us as well. Thank you.